Hello everyone, welcome to VigoWebs. In this video, we're going to recreate the Twitter new X logo. Let me start. Twitter X logo. First, I'm going to create a container. Then inside the container, I'm going to create a three class named border1, border2 and border3. 2, 3. Now I'll start for CSS. Here first container giving background color white, height 400 pixel and the width 400 pixel. Okay, now for border 1, position absolute, the background in black and the width 28 pixel, height 210 pixel, the top 114 pixel, the left 200 pixel. Now I'm going to transform skew for 45 degree. Sorry, minus 45 degree. Next, border 2. Position. Instead of repeating the same properties, here I am adding to here. Width 85 pixel, height 210 pixel, the left 182 pixel, the transform skew 45 degree. Now border 3, position absolute, the background white, width 29 pixel, height 169 pixel, the left 210 pixel, a transform skew 45 degree. Top 134 pixel. Now we got this X logo. Now I'm adding that background container. Here I'm adding some margin 20 pixel, 0, 0, 10 pixel. Here container over background has E7, E7, E8. Changing border radius to 50%. Now we got the Twitter new X logo. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.